Hey guys, it's Harris with WTI, and I have this delicious coffee. My whole family loves coffee, so it's very common to make it every morning. Santo Domingo coffee is super common in the Dominican Republic, and most families drink it because it's so delicious. Also, if you're very sleepy or have a lot of work, this is the best option because it wakes you up quickly and gives you the energy you need. I'm in exam season, so I've been drinking coffee to keep my mind alert and energized so that I can do well. What I like is that I can drink it black or add milk, and it tastes super delicious either way. And this is my point of view.